Peter, he got tight. Started up to heaven one stormy night. The road being rough and him not well, he lost his way and he went to hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, won't you bear in mind I ain't coming back till the gooseberry time. Old Mother Hubbard and her dog were Dutch, a bow-legged rooster and he hobbled on a crutch. The hen chewed tobacco and the duck drank wine. The goose played the fiddle on the pumpkin vine. Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, won't you bear in mind I ain't coming back till the gooseberry time. Down in the barnyard playing 7-Up, the old tomcat and the little yellow pup. The old Mother Hubbard, she's a-picking out the fleas, the rooster in the cream jar up to his knees. Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, won't you bear in mind I ain't coming back till the gooseberry time. I've got a sweet gal in this old town. She weighs an ounce, she weighs 700 pounds. Every time my sweet gal turns once around, the heels of her shoe makes a hole in the ground. Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, won't you bear in mind I ain't coming back till the gooseberry. Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, where you going? Hop along, Peter, won't you bear in mind I ain't coming back till the gooseberry time.
Do you like me? Well, I hope you do. 'Cause if you like me, then I think I'm gonna have to like you too. We'll share our things and have some fun. Then we'll say goodbye and go back home when the day is done. If you tell me, I'll tell you too. And we'll say the things and do the things that lovers do. We'll keep it to ourselves, we won't hurt no one. Then we'll say goodbye and go back home when the day is done. We'll carve our names on a tree. Then we'll burn it down so no one